It fucked up. Alright.
What's wrong with it?
Action. It's not good.
Let me start this all over. Blaine, you want to go first? Yeah, I guess I can go. Let me tell you what I'm about. I'ma let you know it's more water than a spout. Got my hoes spittin', got my niggas dippin', cause I'm a one-man standing and my bullets fittin'. With my 9-slip, loading all those bullet shells. I'ma let you know one shot will send you straight to hell. And I'ma let you know that I'll be kicking back in heaven. Watch the bitches and I'm gonna get you like a 7-Eleven. When you come through, when I'm making all the paper. Gotta say that I'm expecting like I said, fuck you haters. I got more money than your fucking phone number. Count it up, 1, 2 million, that's what their own numbers. Almost gone again, but I'ma come back. And I'ma let you know that's Blaine on this fucking track. Bad news, I don't care what you say about it. I'm gonna let you know, man, I'm me like I shouted. Like I shouted with that motherfucking air gun. Want that BB gun with that shot and that strap gun. Let me tell you, man, come through that bitch. I'ma let you know I'll pop off any fucking snitch.
Southside is the realest. I'm a true killer, so you better know it, it's a thriller. I'm getting the back in the car just for those thriller. Fucking with a nigga, cause I am the real nigga. I am. They call me Pharaoh. I'm about to fly through your hometown, ho. I got this thing in my hand, doing the thing, doing the handstand. Fucking with niggas, doing the thing, I'm doing it what the fans said. What? I'm just shooting for the top, and my fame will never drop till I stop to the top. So I'm going down like a drop top in a flop flop. Make your ass go flip flop, niggas flip flop. Oh shit, done did it on them niggas. I'm about to do this shit cause I'm the one true nigga. Hit it with my niggas SB and Blaine, doing the same thing almost every day on the same thing. Smoking that good ghost thriller. I said before I get higher than the Mac Jack thriller. I'm doing this nigga, I am the true filler. I wait, hold up, if you think about it, go figure. I'm the one that do it every day, a single day. I smoke a weed, I'm getting with it every day. Hitting with it, niggas say, don't give up what niggas say. Fucking with a bitch, so you know she suck my dick all day. Huh?
Yeah, stop at the right spot. That was badass. Damn.
Damn, you
are.
What? You be cameraman.
Still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
On you, Mr. Angry Bird. Don't fuck with this nigga's egg.
Don't fuck with this nigga's egg.
First off, that's me. I'm the damn Angry Bird. Don't press my words cause you know that's so absurd. I don't give a damn, man. I don't give a fuck. You can talk shit on me, but nigga press beef with y'all gone at the wrong time.
How's it going?
It's still going. I'm still flowing. I don't even give a fuck, ho. You don't even know me. I don't give a fuck your girl. She wanna blow me. Cause you fake, man. Everyone know you phony. People talking on me, man. You know I'm really phony. I don't give a fuck, ho. Man, you don't know me. Say it once, say it twice, man. I ain't nice. People hating on me, man. I fight you like the right. People talking on me, I fucking take your life with an AK or a big ass knife. I don't give a fuck. I'm hitting with my cypher. People talking on me, man. You go and pitch case. Fell off again. Man, I'm on the wing, and I don't give a fuck. I got the pin in me, and I don't give a fuck. See, people talking on me, but I'm SB. Get it off my chest, can't stress this. People talking on me, but I never really miss. With an head or a damn clock, I don't even give a fuck. Cause your girl's on my cock. And so,
Okay.
I want. What's that?
All day, every day. Yeah, they.